Hello, everyone. I'm Randolph. My partners are Kim and Andrew, and today we're here to pitch our new app idea, of which we are attempting to solve some consumer headaches in the entertainment industry.
The problems our app are striving to solve can be shown through our examples of customers in the target market. First off, for the younger end of the spectrum, say 22-year-olds, they will most likely use the live updates primarily to see how busy certain establishments are in order not to be stuck sitting and waiting for a seat at the bar, let's say. For the other end of the spectrum, young professionals around 28 to 39 will benefit from our calendar aspect of the app. With such busy lifestyles, juggling family and work, it's hard to find time to see friends. We strive to change that. These are just two of our features that will help our customers make their lives easier.
This is our target market. You can see through the numbers that social media is heavily used in our groups, so we will use that to our advantage in promoting ourselves and the app in order to gain more following and to gain an online presence.
The mission statement for Hap is our goal is to help balance between a fast-paced work life and having a healthy social life to help de-stress. Hap will help the social life feel like not like another chore, but a healthy way to de-stress and re-energize yourself.
Hap is an all-in-one service that will automatically find a time for you and your friends to meet up, and from there it will suggest places based on everyone's preferences. It will provide real-time reviews of your location and offer to schedule Uber and Lyft rides or book reservations if needed. So to set up a Hap account, the app will need permission to access users' location. From there, the user can add friends and form groups on the app, and together you can pick out the activity you want to do and 5 favorite locations for each of those categories, along with the appropriate time frame you need for that. Each user can also add in their daily schedule and color code any period of time that they don't want any planning so that the app doesn't overschedule. The last step is to sync up to Google Calendar. Once the user set up a Hap account and the app has all the information it needs, it will send out notifications if it finds an open time frame. The app will automatically look up to a month ahead and include 15 minutes for driving. From there, it will suggest places based on the group's preferences, book reservations, and schedule Uber and Lyft rides for each person if needed. More importantly, the app will display real-time reviews, letting the user know how busy the place is, if there's a line, what the atmosphere is like, and any comments about past experience. An important feature offered by our app is the real-time reviews, and how this will be conducted is for every review posted to the forum, the user will earn points in return. For a range of 1,500 to 3,000 points, the user can earn 15% off of $50 bills at local restaurants or bars. As we gain more users, we will partner with restaurants to cover part of these costs and post more coupons at different values.
So we have 3 subscription packages for the Hap app. First being our free one with 4 favorited locations and 10 points per review. A $2.99 monthly subscription that has no ads, real-time reviews for 10 locations. It unblocks the booking reservation feature and it has 50 points per review. Then our premium membership one unlocks every feature in our app and also has 100 points per real-time review.
After deciding how we want the app to be designed, these are our projected total costs. All of these are vital in order to successfully run Hap, making sure layout, features, and architectural needs are met, as well as security, maintenance, etc. Social media is astronomically valuable in creating a large consumer base. With over a billion Instagram users worldwide, over 60 million users on Twitter in the United States alone, these are the avenues of which will allow us to reach our target market. If marketed effectively, we can make huge strides in our industry.
So for this part, we have 4 different phases we will have for our app's development. And to simplify them, phase 1 is our development period. Phase 2 is a regional trial. Phase 3 is our rise on the market. And phase 4 is when we establish ourselves within the market. So for this, our financial support is going to come from initial investors, and that will cover our cost of the app. For the app will be free to download, and our subscription packages will be open to the public at this time. Next will be our business and client outreach. Is just going around to businesses in our regional trial area to promote our app and gain popularity. The regional trial will be conducted in the Utica-Rome area. So next, for our financial support, we are going to be selling advertising to pay back our investors. With this, our app will still be on the App Store, and the only thing we'll be working through that is bugs and other issues that arise. For the users, we'll be trying to gain popularity within our area, and we'll have our businesses selling advertisements to those users. And then the area we want to cover for phase 2 is Utica and Rome, and then adding Herkimer, Amsterdam, Albany, Syracuse, Oneonta, and Cortland. For this next part, our financial support will come from our already made revenue and also partnerships with Uber and Lyft to gain a percentage of rides ordered within our app. The app will just continue to listen to consumer feedback to make fixes on bugs or whatever else is needed. Next, we are going to plan on partnering with Uber and Lyft and adding more venues. And then the area we'd like to cover within this is the whole East Coast with major cities and college towns. The first part of our phase 1 user projections is 25% of the target market within Utica-Rome. For phase 2, it's 25% of the college students within the areas that we are targeting. Phase 3 is 25% of our target market from Florida to Maine, and phase 4 is 25% of the market within the whole continental United States.
Thank you guys for listening to our presentation. Hopefully we'll be in touch.